Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and then here in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. Then just open the app here, click yes I agree, click close, and now here click to OK. And now as can you see here, we got the temperature with our battery information with our battery temperature. In our case, in my case that's 30 and 2 degrees. And also here we got more information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, and other info like the model, Android version, and more information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.